want you to go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything. Alright, let's jump back into it, shall we?
I am Grumpy, and welcome to the episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where we're doing our last trip, for now, into Hawaii. And today, for our grand finale, we are doing Furikaki Salmon, because reasons. So, without further ado, before I forget, 550 subscribers so I can do a free giveaway. I want to give stuff away. I just need more subscribers, so make sure you give a like, a share, and more importantly, a comment. Let me know that you want some free stuff. That way, when we get there, I can, call you out. Now, without further ado, let's make some bad life choices and get grumpy. So, of course, we need our ingredients. And first up is our salmon, of course, because, we need salmon. Next is our mayonnaise. After that is our Furikaki seasoning, followed by our minced garlic. Lastly, our beloved butter. Alright, so Furikaki salmon is pretty freaking easy to do. So all we need to do, first up, mayo. A little bit just like that. A little bit just like that. And we're going to cook this on a medium-low heat, okay? So for a little bit of olive oil. Then we're going to spread our mayo just like that. Just like that. And then, simple enough, Furikaki. Bam! Furikaki. I don't know why, I love that word. And that's good. Now we let nature do its work. So what we're going to do now, we got our butter melting. We're going to go ahead and add our garlic. Just like that, nice and gonna come out. And then I forgot to mention the sugar. So we're going to add 1/3 cup sugar. And then also forgot to add is the soy sauce. So we're going to go ahead and add soy sauce. Just like that. And we're going to stir and mix all this stuff together so we can pour on our fish after we're done. Alright? Alright. So now we flipped our salmon. We're going to do the same thing that we did on top to the bottom. So we're going to get our mayonnaise. Boom. Boom. A little smear there. Just like that. Nice and easy. A little smear here. A little bit. Nice and easy. And then back to the Furikaki. Just like that. And there we go. Cook until done. Now you're ready to, add our sauce. So a little bit of that right here. Nice and easy, nice and easy. And there we go. Furikaki salmon. Thank you for watching Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and of course, leave a comment. Holla at me. Alright, if you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking, and then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy. I'll holla.